Create a stunning home office on a budget. Transform your space for less. Creating a stylish and functional home office doesn't need to cost a fortune. With some clever planning, DIY solutions, and budget-friendly choices, you can transform any space into a productive and beautiful office. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you create the perfect home office without breaking the bank. Step 1. Define your space. Choose the right area. Start by selecting a corner or room in your home that has good lighting and minimal distractions. Even a small nook can work. Measure your space. Knowing the exact dimensions will help you choose furniture and decor that fits the space well. Declutter. Remove unnecessary items so the space feels open and clean. Step 2. Set a budget. Establish a clear budget. Decide on an overall amount you are willing to spend for your home office. Prioritize essentials. Focus on the key items first: desk, chair, storage, etc., and leave decor for later. Step 3. Choose the right furniture. Desk. A functional desk is a must, but you don't have to spend much. Look for second-hand options or upcycle an old table with a fresh coat of paint. Chair. Invest in a comfortable, ergonomic chair to support long hours of sitting. There are affordable options with good lumbar support available online or in stores. Storage. Consider using inexpensive shelves or filing cabinets for storage. Wall-mounted shelves are great for saving space. Step 4. Focus on lighting. Natural light. Set up near a window to take advantage of natural light, which boosts mood and productivity. Task lighting. A simple desk lamp with adjustable brightness is a good, affordable option. Look for ones with a modern design to enhance your space. Ambient lighting. Add a cozy feel with soft overhead lighting or string lights, which can be inexpensive but effective. And hey, if you want your string lights not to be strangled in your neck, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 5. Add personal touches. Affordable wall art. Use prints, DIY artwork, or even frame inspirational quotes to decorate the walls without spending much. Plants. Houseplants are a budget-friendly way to bring life into your office. Opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. Textiles. Textiles. Add a comfy rug, throw pillows, or a cozy blanket to your chair for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Step 6. Organize your office. Use DIY storage solutions, repurposed jars, or baskets for organizing supplies and papers. Keep cords neat and tidy with simple cable clips or ties, which are inexpensive and easy to use. Declutter regularly. A clutter-free space is essential for focus and productivity. Step 7. Make it functional. Ergonomics. Ensure that your desk and chair are positioned to encourage good posture. Keep your computer screen at eye level and your feet flat on the floor. Technology. Invest in a good laptop stand or a wireless keyboard and mouse if you have them, as this can improve your workflow and comfort. Step 8. Final touches. Create a work zone. Make sure everything you need, computer, phone, notepads, is within easy reach. Sound. Consider a white noise machine or soft background music to improve concentration if your space tends to be noisy. And there you have it, friends. Your dream home office is within reach, and all it takes is a little creativity, a touch of magic, and the belief that you can create a space that truly inspires you. Remember, your environment shapes your energy, so make it a place where you feel motivated, empowered, and ready to conquer the day. Believe in the magic of small steps, because a great space isn't created overnight. It is built with intention, love, and a dash of creativity. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of transformation. If you feel inspired, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting tips to bring more joy and magic into your life. Stay positive, stay creative, and keep shining. Your best office space is just around the corner. Until next time, keep making magic happen.